Welcome to the Kyoto e330 Kofuko massage chair remote tutorial. This chair is pretty easy to use and you can customize it using this remote. It's got a remote driven interface, so everything that you need to customize your massage is right here on the face of it. To get started, let's make sure your chair is plugged in and powered on. And then there's a power button on the top of the remote control. This turns the chair on and off. When the chair is turned on, the screen of the remote will light up and display a number of icons. Let's go over the different icons that you will see on the screen. At the top is the chair status. When ready is displayed, that means the chair is ready for you to start a massage program. To the left of ready is scanning. When you see scanning, that means the chair is reading your body and adjusting the massage accordingly. The chair is only going to scan your body one time. If you choose a different program after the chair has scanned your body, it'll use the same scan that it did before. The only way to reset this is to turn the chair off and on again. And then finally, to the right of ready is pause. This will appear when you push the pause button on the remote. The pause button is directly below the screen to the right. It's two vertical lines, just like you would see on your TV remote. Pause means that the chair has stopped doing whatever it was doing and hold that position until you push the pause button a second time to resume the massage or turn the chair off entirely. On the next line of the screen, there are icons that show the motion of the chair's footrest and backrest. Just below this is the auto program indicator. When you're in an auto program, it will read auto on the screen. And in the largest section of the screen, you will see a timer, the graphical indicator of the massage, which includes where the rollers are, what direction they're moving in, what areas the chair is heating, and to the right of that, it will display the current massage technique. Below this section of the screen, there's the speed, width, and intensity indicators. These will all change accordingly when you adjust those settings with the buttons farther down the remote. Moving down below the screen, you're going to see a number of buttons. We're going to start with the 4 buttons on the row immediately below the screen. There's the Quick Auto Program button. When you push the Quick Auto button, it's going to start a short program that'll show you all of the different features the chair has. There's the Recline and Zero Gravity button, which will move the chair through 3 zero gravity positions in the upright position. Next, we have the Lumbar Heat button. Pushing this button turns the lumbar heat on or off. On the screen, you can tell if the lumbar heat is on by this icon lighting up. And then the pause button, which will pause the chair's current actions until the program is either unpaused, which is done by pushing the pause button a second time, or the chair is turned off entirely. Next is the section that is labeled Auto Programs. These are 8 easily selected auto programs that you can use anytime you sit in the chair. There is Relax, Renew, Upper Body, Lower Body, Stretch, All Air, Soothe, and Night. When you select one of these programs, the chair will start by using its body scanning function to change the range of the massage to fit your body. If instead you are looking to customize your massage, all you have to do is push the button labeled Manual Massage. This will set the indicator lights below it. There are 5 in total. These are directly related to the massage techniques that are displayed on the right side of the screen. They each have a different movement to them, so I recommend you try each of them out and get a feel for which one is best for you. To the right of the Manual Massage button is the Speed button. While in manual mode, this changes how fast the rollers will move. This is a great way to change the intensity of the massage. To the right of the Speed button is the Back Zone button. This changes the area that the rollers will focus on. The default is the Full Track. Pressing this button will cycle through upper area, lower area, and target mode. Upper area will keep the rollers to the upper zone of the track, from upper back and shoulders to neck, and lower area of the track will focus on the lower back and glutes. And then finally in target mode, you can use the roller adjustment buttons at the bottom of the remote to move the rollers up and down the track as you wish. After you've set the zone of the rollers along the track, let's change the width of the rollers. Just below Speed is the button for Width. This button, when pressed, will cycle through the different width options on the remote. When using the width function on the remote, you can use it during massage techniques 2, 4, and 5. I've displayed their icons here on the screen. The width function will not work on programs 1 and 3. Next to the width button is the foot roller button. This turns the foot rollers on and off, and is a favorite option of a number of people here at Kyoto Massage Chairs. There's also a trick to increasing the intensity of the foot massage on this chair. Just below the foot roller button is the Air Zone button. Pressing this will cycle through the airbag zones on the chair. To increase the foot massage intensity like I just mentioned, you cycle through the options on the remote until the airbags around the feet are activated. This, in combination with the foot rollers, will increase the intensity of the foot massage by pushing your feet into the rollers. Just below the Air Zone button is the Air Massage Strength button. This changes how much the airbags are inflated. You can see the readout on the remote what the intensity level of the current massage is. To the left of the air buttons is the roller up and down button. When the chair enters scanning mode, which it will do only once per session the first time you do anything with the back rollers after the chair is powered on. During this time, the chair will emit a series of beeps. While you hear these beeps, you can use the up and down arrows to fine-tune the position of your shoulders in the scan. These buttons can also be used in the target mode to move the rollers up and down along the track. To the left of the roller button is the leg rest adjustment button. This will raise or lower the leg rest on the chair. In a similar fashion, there's the backrest up and down buttons next to the leg rest adjustment buttons. These will recline the chair or raise the backrest to a more upright position. Then finally, we get to my favorite button on the remote. At the very bottom, just above the Kyoto logo, is the 5 more minutes button. When pushed, this will add 5 more minutes to the massage program that is currently running. With that, we've gone over the Kyoto e330 massage chair's remote's functions. I know it was a lot of information, but you should now be able to customize your massage any way you want, so I recommend trying out all of the different functions and getting to know what works best for you. We here at Kyoto thank you, and we know that you're enjoying your chair.